Hi everybody, this is Crypto Rich, working with you to get rich with crypto, filling our pockets with crypto profits. And if you are a lover of privacy, and if you recognize and appreciate the importance of privacy and how that correlates with freedom and autonomy and creativity, then you are going to be very, very interested. You're going to love what I'm going to talk about in this video. Pirate Chain creates the world's first Z2Z only mobile wallet. So Z2Z using ZK Snarks technology, invisible transactions only on the mobile wallet, and it's on the Android, not yet on iOS, public beta, and that's what I'm going to talk about in this video. Now let me just say a little bit about it. It's from this blog. I'll link to everything in the description below. Pirate Chain announces the release of the world's first Z2Z shielded transactions only mobile Android wallet with massive help from the community and Zero's lead developer CryptoForge. Shout out to you, CryptoForge. It is typically very difficult to integrate ZK Snark shielded transactions into most platforms. Most projects use both transparent and shielded addresses to ease integration. However, in this way, privacy becomes an optional secondary feature. Pirate Chain has always taken the stance that privacy by default is the only viable option, and that optional privacy is not private at all. This is why our blockchain is 99% shielded, with the remaining 1% being transparent block rewards for the on-chain audit. Now this is what the screenshot looks like. In this video, I am going to be downloading the Android beta mobile wallet onto my phone, showing you how it works, receiving Pirate Chain, talking a little bit about it. I do have to warn you, the sound is a little bit variable, and I'm using a screen recorder application, and it took me ages to edit this and work this out. Right? Remember, my background is in child protection social work, not tech or anything, so it's important for you to do your own due diligence. Please comment, like, let me know what you think. If you're watching this on YouTube, really come over and follow my channel on BitTube, because I post my videos on BitTube first, and you can earn BitTube coins, which are also a privacy coin as a fork of Monero, not as private as Pirate Chain, which I'll explain later on. Pirate Chain are going to be releasing the open source code on the GitHub shortly for the Pirate Chain wallet.
Bitcoin, the best money we've ever had. With a different kind of money comes a different kind of card. A metal card, powered by crypto. Every time you spend, you get 3% back instantly. Want more? We've got that too. Don't like fees? Neither do we. How about these perks? The future is here. Reserve yours now.
So before I install the app, the first thing I want to do is I want to check my NordVPN, use it on 6 devices through one plan. I have an affiliate link in the description below, and that'll give over 60% off. This is what it looks like on my mobile phone, and I can pick and choose which server I'm going to connect through and have my data encrypted. So that's all on. Alright, here I'm installing the app. It's now opened. I'm going to choose a password, enter that. Password confirmed. Create the wallet. Now I can restore the wallet, or I can create a new wallet. In this instance, I'm creating a new wallet. I have to make sure you keep a secure record of the passphrase. This is very, very important. You lose the passphrase, then you can't recover your wallet at all. The passphrase is critical. Now what I got to do is I got to wait for the blockchain to synchronize, and this takes a bit of time depending upon your mobile connection and also depending upon the Wi-Fi. This is what the home page looks like now that it's open, and what I'm going to do, I'm going to receive some coins. I'm going to copy the address and send the coins from a VERUS coin wallet. So this is a VERUS coin wallet. I have it on my desktop, and all these 2.77 incoming transactions are rewards for retweeting Pirate Chain tweets. You too can get those rewards by retweeting Pirate Chain tweets. I am now sending 10 Pirate Chain, and this is just a public beta, so I'm just testing it out. I'm not going to keep large amounts. Just notice that Pirate Chain only allows transactions from one private address to another private address. There is no option for transparent transactions like there is with Dash and Zcash. All the transactions, once the coins have been mined, are private by default. Right, the coins have left my VERUS coin wallet. Now waiting for them to turn up in my mobile. While that's going on, let's have a quick look at the website of Pirate Chain, pirate.black. I'll link to this in the description below. A truly private, decentralized blockchain, delayed proof of work. With Pirate Chain, there are no transactions that you can see on the blockchain, none. So in that respect, it's like the Mimblewimble coins, Grin and Beam. However, unlike Grin and Beam, it's also completely resistant to 51% attacks. So that makes it the most secure and the most private of all the cryptocurrencies. And how it's resistant to 51% attacks is because every 10 minutes, all the transactions are notarized and put on a hash on the Komodo blockchain. And then from there, they're notarized and hashed and put on the Bitcoin blockchain. So to do a double spend attack on Pirate Chain, you would need 51% of the Pirate Chain computing power, 51% of the Komodo computing power, and 51% of the Bitcoin computing power. It ain't gonna happen. And in a moment, I'm going to show you the Blockchain Explorer, and you can look and see how there is no data on the blockchain once the coins have been mined. After that, you can't see anything. Just hold on for that. Now, if we scroll down to click on this to get a wallet, takes us here, and these are all the different wallets: Windows, Mac OS, Linux, Linux ARM, Pirate Wallet Lite, and this is the mobile wallet, the Android. Now, one of the wallets that's not shown here is the VERUS coin wallet, veruscoin.io, and that you can use also for storing Pirate Chain and also all the Komodo asset coins. Exchanges, if you want to purchase Pirate Chain, these are the exchanges that you can purchase it from. And this one, Turtle Network, is a decentralized exchange where you're able to trade Pirate Chain with any other coin going, including ERC20 or ETH tokens, and you at all times retain custody of your Pirate Chain. This is the Pirate Chain Explorer. You can see here, these are the coins that are being mined, 64 Pirate Chain every block. Now, Pirate Chain's already had 2 halvings. It's going to have another halving in November, where it'll go down to 32 coins per block. And there are halvings every 270 days with Pirate Chain. So let's just click on this block hash, and we can see this is the transaction. Let's look at that transaction ID. So these are mined. They were mined on May 29, 2020, 5:50 p.m. and doesn't say how many coins, no shielded spends and no joint splits. Okay, here we go. 64 Pirate went to this address. So let's look at what's happened with this address. So total received 7.2 million roughly, and total sent just over 7 million. Final balance 224,000. Okay, this is somebody's mining wallet. I wish this was my mining wallet. And then we look and see, well, what's happened? How much has gone out? These are all coins that have come in that are mined. So that's all mined, right? What you won't be able to tell at all, and I challenge anybody who's watching this to be able to demonstrate. In fact, I put a tweet out where I had a transaction ID and said, tell me which address it went from, how much was sent, and which address did it go to. And this is what makes Pirate Chain so private. You cannot tell. If I were to send you Pirate Chain from my wallet to your wallet, no outside observer would be able to find any data that can analyze. They wouldn't know my address. They wouldn't know how much is in my wallet. They wouldn't know how much left. They wouldn't know where it was going to. They wouldn't know which wallet it went to. They wouldn't be able to look inside that wallet or know the address. Completely invisible. And now there may be other coins that come up that have that level of invisibility. They can only ever be as good as Pirate Chain because you can't get more invisible than invisible. So that's the Pirate Chain Explorer. Now let's go and see how my transactions are doing. There you can see it's arrived, 10 Pirate Chain into my mobile wallet. Just got to apologize for some of the colors on the screen because I was recording this, some of it at nighttime, some of it at daytime, and I got a blue light filter on my mobile phone, which is why the colors look a bit washed out. Okay, let me know what you think. Is this something you would use? What difference do you think this will make to privacy? Comments in the description below. Please check out this project, and between now and when I see you next, please keep filling your pockets with Pirate Chain profits. This is Crypto Rich signing out. All the best. Bye bye.
Spectre.ai, the world's first fraud-free, licensed and regulated digital contracts trading platform. You can trade with gold, silver and other currencies from as little as $1. Earn as much as 400% ROI. Affiliate link in description below.